Hi there, Stephanie of Stephanie Stitches here. Welcome to my channel where together we sew. If you're brand new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring the bell for notifications so you'll know when I post videos like this one or when I go live. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I love seeing your comments down below. So today I've got a quick video. I've already posted my Vlogmas video for today, so you may already be tired of listening to me, but you'll want to listen to this one. The Forward Fabric Studio, you guys know that have been following me for a while, and if you're new, you're going to find out. I sew along their mystery quilts, and I do the tutorials here on my channel, and they are starting a new mystery sew along called Frozen Memories. It's a winter sew along quilt that's going to finish at 56 by 56. It's going to begin December 19th and end January 16th, so it's going to be a 5-week sew along. And they have sent me the fabric, and I'm going to share that with you. So if you are interested in sewing this along, here's the fabric. The kit is $67.96, and as of this filming, they still have some left, but they always sell out. So if you want to sew this with me with these gorgeous fabrics, head over to their shop. The link is in my description box below, and pick one up today. And as always, if you cannot get the kit at this time, you can sew from your stash. The PDFs are free. They release them every week. So you'll have to go onto their website and download it. But you can sew along for free as well. But a good way to support them for giving us the free patterns is to purchase the kit if you're able. I think this one's my favorite with those birds. So cute. And these are all metallic-y fabrics. This is a solid, but it's actually got like a little glitter in it. I'm not sure if you can read that on the camera, but it's really pretty. And as a bonus, and Jody has done this other months, so you guys might be expecting this, she gave me an extra kit to give away to one of you. Yay! Merry Christmas! So if you'd like to sew along with me and you'd like a chance to win this kit, put a sentence down in the comments below that includes the word frozen, and I'll enter you into the giveaway. Now, I will announce the winner on my Vlogmas video this Sunday, December 4th. If anybody approaches you in the comments down below and says, "You're a winner, click here," don't click there. Those are scammers. That's very common here on YouTube, especially this time of year, people trying to steal your information. The only way you're going to win this kit is if you come back and you see your name on Sunday on my Vlogmas, and I tell you to contact me at my email address. You'll send me your name and your address, and I'll get this in the mail to you. So if you'd like a chance to win this, don't forget to put your sentence down below and come back Sunday and check and see if you're a winner. And if you'd like to sew along, like I said, there's still kits available. Go ahead and check that out at their shop. The link's in the description box below, and I'll pin it to the first comment to make it real easy for you guys. And I can't wait to sew this along with you guys. So hope you come and join me on December 19th. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you really soon. Bye.